Now your StormTracker Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parish.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we finished up the month of June on Sunday, and I thought we'd take a quick look and show you what we saw as far as high temperatures. Every single day except for 2 was either at or above normal. In fact, 2 days we set new records in the month of June, so the heat wave just continues. And right now, looking at our tower cam to the north, you can see some thunderstorms off in the distance on the northern side of the city. As a result, it's cooled down to 77 degrees at the airport. Northeast wind to 22, so it's gusting a little bit, and I'll show you that on radar in a moment. Dew point is 71, so it feels like 79 out there. So at least some parts of the city are seeing some relief. Let's zoom in on that activity and show you from near Baton Rouge, capital downtown, up to Southern University, up towards Baker, and then up towards Zachary, and putting down some gusty winds and quite a bit of lightning, especially around Zachary right now, as this drifts off towards the south and west. Another thunderstorm with a special weather statement on it is down near Gonzales, also putting down some lightning and some gusty winds. You can see the outflow boundary here in the green. That's where the wind is turning out of the south and east with those thunderstorms in the area. And we're going to see these isolated thunderstorms again tomorrow afternoon. And as a result, if you get underneath one of them, you could cool down in a brief hurry. 94 right now in Woodville, 94 in Slaughter, but check out Baton Rouge, 77, kind of sticking out like a sore thumb. Everyone else is in the 90s right now. When you factor in the dew point, it feels like 112 in Denham Springs right now, 113 in Laplace, same thing in Grosse Tete, so it's just miserable out there. And tomorrow, it's going to get a little bit worse, 116 in Gonzales, 117 in Hammond, 115 here in the city, so the heat index values are going to be very high tomorrow, so we, as a result, are under an excessive heat warning, and it's all because, and thanks to this big dome of high pressure that's sitting on top of us. So one good thing about this ridge is it's keeping all the tropical systems on a pretty far south track. Hopefully that will continue with Beryl as she continues to go through the Caribbean Sea and then moving across the Yucatan Peninsula as we go into the holiday. Then the ridge of high pressure is indicating that it's going to shift to the south and east, and that may allow this system to kind of curve back to the north. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. In the meantime, we're going to be watching isolated to scattered thunderstorms across our area with all the heat and the humidity. Just make sure that you stay hydrated if you're going to be outside or find a shade tree. And then as we go into the holiday weekend, partly cloudy skies with lots of warm temperatures. In fact, tonight in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees, and then tomorrow afternoon a repeat of today, maybe a little bit hotter, 99 for the high, 101 in Denham Springs, 97 in Jackson, and then when you factor in the dew point, of course, it's going to feel like 115 plus. And then on Wednesday, lows in the 80s and upper 70s, and then in the afternoon, highs in the mid 90s with isolated thunderstorms here and there. Over the next 7 days, as we head towards the 4th of July, 95, partly cloudy, and then storms on Saturday, and then isolated storms on Monday.